Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have a special collection unboxing to show you guys. This is of course the Mastermind and Ness collaboration capsule collection, or whatever pieces that I got. Just arrived from Japan, right? It comes in this fancy shipper box, right? So it shows here Mastermind Tokyo. I didn't buy all of it, I bought most of it, right? Cost a pretty penny, that's for sure. So on the inside, if you order from Mastermind Japan, whatever not, it comes with a free paper bag with Mastermind Tokyo branding. I bought the jersey, I bought the baseball shirt. I didn't buy the cap though. I didn't buy the windbreaker, but even then it cost quite a bit. Yes, this is the shorts, this is the baseball shirt, and this is the I think it's the jersey. All right, not all of it is in double XL because Mitchell & Ness tends to do it a little bit slightly oversized, slightly, right? With the Babe and Mitchell & Ness collab, I found that it tends to be cut slightly longer and definitely bigger than a typical Japanese size. All right, so let's try and unpack this, which is the jersey, and immediately you can see the details on this jersey. Impeccable. All right, check out the tags first. Of course, this is the Mitchell & Ness tag right here, Philadelphia. Yes, I got it from Union Tokyo. You can see here, price 48,400 yen. That's about 490 US dollars. Okay, check it out. All patched. Number 21, I think it's the 21st anniversary, and against the light you can see the details of the Crossbone logo of Mastermind Japan right here. Very nice quality. I love Mitchell & Ness jerseys. I got the NBA one in collaboration with Babe right away. Again, this is not printed, it's an actual patch, and this is a revised or enhanced design of the Crossbone logo, right, with a little bit more shadow. And on the neck tag you can see the special Mastermind World Mitchell & Ness tag collaboration. XL, again made in China with all Mitchell & Ness products, I guess. All right, same tags here. Very nice. On the back, there's nothing here. And right there, big patch here, Mastermind Japan. Right, you can see a very nice quality. The stitching is very nice. Again, I'm very amazed by this jersey number 21. The details on this is absolutely crazy. On the sleeves as well, right? Both sleeves. Number 21. Very nice. You can see the glitter as well. It's really amazing. All right, that's the jersey. Now we move on to the next most expensive, which is over $500 US dollars, mind you. This is of course the baseball shirt. The baseball shirt just trying to be a little larger than a usual t-shirt or jersey. By the way, it comes with this piece of tissue paper to protect the stitching and patchwork. As you can see here, very nice. Mastermind World tag right here. Size XL, 50,000 Japanese yen. We translate to about 510 US dollars, give or take. XL. Very nice. You can see the details on the buttons as well. Look at that. Crossbone logo on the buttons. Very nice. It's got a nice flat finish. You can see the details. Unlike the jersey one, which has the glitter, this one doesn't have it. But the main piece, the main feature of this baseball shirt is the back itself. It's got the iconic ring with a lot of Mastermind products, and the Mastermind, a huge Mastermind logo. Check it out against my hand. Patchwork again. All right, it's not printed, and you know, if it's printed over time it tends to peel, get sticky and all that stuff, but with this type of patch, no worries in that. Again, the revised Crossbone logo. I'm not too sure when exactly they changed it, but I think it looks a little bit better than the early versions of the logo itself. Again, incredible quality. It's very thick, large, should fit a regular size guy like me. All right, hopefully I can showcase this. Oh, sorry, on the bottom here, again, embroidered patchwork, whatever you want to call it. Mastermind World, Ness. All right, the last piece, the very last piece. Of course, you have the top, you need to have the bottom. And this sold out pretty damn fast. I could not get the double XL version. So hopefully this one would fit me. This is a size XL. And check it out, guys. Look at the way this looks. Incredible. I mean, the pictures don't do it justice at all. You gotta feel it and see it with your own eyes. And check that out. Look at that huge skull logo right there, right at the crotch. Beautiful, beautiful work. You can see here, embroidered here, Mastermind World. Again with that glittery details right there. Big patch brand right here at the crotch area. Again with the metal ring, both sides. Very, very nice. Tag, of course, Mastermind World. How much I paid for this? Okay, so it's 27,000 retail. With tax is about 29,000 yen. So that's translate to about 300 US dollars rounded up. Okay, the tag as well here. Now this one is a little bit different. It's 100% polyester. The tag here is a little bit different than the tops. You can see here. You can do a legit check with your purchase. Please do so. Again, Ness tag right there. Whew. This is one sick piece of clothing. On the back, you got one side pocket at the bum, and just to let you know again, the glittery pieces do extend to the bottom as well. Look at that, look at that. There's no way you can't flex on your mates with this. Amazing, amazing piece. This sold out first compared to all the other pieces. This was the one that sold out first, and that's not surprising. I just want to check whether on the inside there is a coin pocket. Some of you may be interested to know. Yeah, so no, there's no coin pocket. Neither is there any compartments on the inside. Well, that's fine. But you know, for the price that you pay, like 300 US dollars, I mean, it really depends. I mean, you may find it worth it. You may find it that's cost too much money. But I think the quality speaks for itself. I mean, on the inside, it looks great. Got that mesh material. It's just amazing, right? So hope to flex these. By the way, the logos on both sides of the leg, which is really cool. I think the patchwork is really great. This one is printed, of course. As you can see, very, very nicely done. I think it complements both pieces, whether it's the baseball shirt or the amazing jersey with a beautiful patchwork in the back for the numbers as well. Can't get away. Look at that. Whew. Amazing. This is not your regular jersey, that's for sure. But anyway, hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, follow me on IG at LKHOE23. And yeah, if you'd like to see more human-made, mastermind, babe stuff, do let me know. Alright, by the way, check it out. I'm wearing Mastermind Adidas shoes. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.